Hey there, Chris again. Summer is here and with it new changes coming to Provision HR solutions in the summer release 2024. Well, let's get into it, starting with boarding. Google or Bing as a Maps tool. Use Google Maps or Bing Maps to pinpoint the residential working location of your applicants, using our new API configuration in the map settings of your boarding guides for more accurate location data during the onboarding process. Document transfers for applicant boarding guides. You can now transfer documents from applicant boarding guides to the document management app. This improved integration between boarding and document management will reduce the amount of manual document transfers for a smoother and more secure transition from applicant to new hire. Moving on to HR request. Time saving with data event triggers. We've expanded data event triggers for a lot of tables to speed up your system. Enjoy faster loading times, as a ton of tables no longer need to use real-time lookups and get their data from your Dynamics 365 system within seconds. Next up, document management. Position title entity for template creation. We have added a new position title entity to use in your document templates and updated the manager position title, allowing you to autofill more fields when generating a letter or document in document management. Let's see what's new with performance management. Export and import your performance ratings. All first and second ratings can now be imported directly into the system using new import-export functionality on the All PDR calibration screen. Use a third-party tool like Excel to adjust an exported PDR file and add any ratings that you might have calculated. Import the file back in and off you go. On a side note, you can now hide all extra total ratings to reduce complexity in your ratings overview. Also, the PDR export functionality now supports PDF files as well. Mass assign goals. You can now add goals en masse based on the legal entities of workers. Filter your worker list based on legal entity and select all the workers that need your new goals. Then assign the new goals and activities using the Mass Assign functionality on the aptly named Mass Goal Assignment screen. On to Payroll Interface. Allow payroll managers to open and close periods. You can now allow your payroll managers to open and close periods in the Payroll Interface app. Your payroll managers can now take over from HR and handle the standard processes of periods instead. Even more source field conversions. We've enabled the use of multiple number field conversions in our Payroll Interface app. Long story short, this means increased flexibility when setting up the connection between your payroll system and HR system, allowing for a smoother and faster implementation process. At last, we've arrived at Timesheets and Expenses. Enable actual hours to view unplanned work. You can now turn on actual hours on the planned versus actual screen to view the unplanned hours that were added to a project. If you needed extra hours on a project because you needed more hands on deck or it was overdue, you can use this switch to add those hours to the overview. Well, that's it for the new changes. If you're looking for more details regarding all the new possibilities, please check out the release notes in our Apps Help Center. For the next release, I can already share that all apps will get a technical update to comply with an upcoming update from Microsoft later this year, providing you with improved security and more flexible maintenance. More on that coming soon. And that's it. See you next time for the autumn release update.